Okay, so this is the living room. We have finally finished decorating and organizing. The only thing that's going to change probably is that picture on the wall is coming down. We're going to get a different one that kind of matches the decor a little better. But other than that, we are pretty much done. And I'll just come over here. This stand is from IKEA. We decided to go with the, what is it? I think it's is it Birch Effect? I'm not 100% sure. I'll link it down below. But I love the way this color is like kind of like a wheat, and it kind of brings out more of the color in the couch. And then next to it is just the entertainment stand that we built, and we just use it as a bookshelf, and we used one of the crates as a blanket holder. And then we have like a chocolate brown recliner, because my husband just really wanted his old man recliner. And it also has the little old school handle, because he just is so in love with old school recliners. And then the light, I think, is so cool. I love the way it kind of brings like a little farmhouse feel, especially when it's nighttime and the light is on. This lamp is actually from IKEA. We just decided to not use an actual lampshade, and we went with just the large light bulb that they had. And this is a dimmer, so it comes on, and then it gets dim, and then turns off. So it looks really nice at night. Really brightens the living room, even though it looks like a, you know, kind of like a dull light bulb. It's really not. It's actually really bright and like brightens everything up. And then it also has a wireless charger built into it, so you can charge your phone. You know, if you have a phone that does wireless charging. There's also a USB plug in the back of the little tray, so if you don't have wireless charging, you can still charge your phone. And then I just bought another one because we both can wirelessly charge our phones, so we both wanted to be able to do it at the same time. And then as for the couch, I am in love with it. It is big and comfortable and soft, and I just love it. So this is from American Freight, and we actually got it on sale because it was like the last one. I don't know if it was the last one that they had or if it was the last one, I don't know, but it was the last one. So we ended up getting it. It actually looked smaller in the warehouse to us than it does in the living room. It's a lot bigger, but that's fine because we plan on moving when we buy our house. We plan on having a bigger living room anyway, so this will be fine. And then for the coffee table, I am so obsessed with it. It's so cool. It also has wheels, so it's easy to like move around. It has like kind of that like rustic farmhouse feel to it. I just love it so much. And it also has drawers, so you're able to put stuff in it. So right now, I think the only thing we have in here, yeah, we just have like TV remotes in here right now. There's not really much stuff that we like store in them, just because, I don't know, we don't have like TV guides and stuff like that, so we really only have the remotes in there right now. But I'm pretty sure I'm probably going to use some of the drawers for to hold like seasonal decor. Right now I just have this cute tray on top that I actually got from Ross. It's a mirrored tray. And then I got the little succulents on the side. They were on my kitchen table, but I just moved them over here because I thought they looked better. I got the little succulents from Target at the Target dollar spot, and then I got the big plant, kind of like the Beauty and the Beast rose, but it's just like a little greenery plant. I got that from IKEA. So then for the rug, we got this from At Home. It is a 3x5, I believe. I actually want to get a bigger one. I wasn't really thinking about size when I got the rug, but it's not bad. It adds a little pop of color right now, which is fine. I may end up just waiting until we move and then getting a larger one, because we decided to keep the rug that we had down already. Like I was saying in the other video that we were gonna remove it. I think it's just best for us to just keep it, just because it covers so much of the floor that it saves a lot with stains. So yeah, we'll probably just end up keeping this, because when we do purchase a home, we plan on having wood flooring, so we don't plan on having rugs throughout. And then I just moved our dining room table over. It actually was in this position before, but with the other couches and me having to maneuver them all the time, I had put it in the opposite direction. But like over here, it looks really nice behind the couch. And then my kids are, and then I got this silver tray from Target. I believe it was like $14.99. And then the coasters I got from IKEA, and then this cute little tin that I keep like napkins and condiments and stuff in. It says "Let's Eat." You probably can't really see it that well, but I got that from the Target dollar spot as well. And then I just have the little doggy houses over there, and then a little bucket for toys that says Farmhouse. I actually got that from Walmart. But yeah, so over here on the entertainment center, I got those 3 baskets from IKEA as well when we got the shelf. I just really love the little weaving design and how they look. One is like a gray, one is white, and one is like a tan. I wanted to kind of bring out the little farmhouse effect without being too over the top, so I only got 3. It's kind of bothering me because I hate uneven numbers. I only really like even numbers, but it's okay. I count the pineapple that I got from Target out of the Target dollar spot. I count that as an extra box, or an extra basket. So, but yeah, so here is the overview of the living room. The throw pillows, I actually got the burgundy and the blue throw pillow from At Home. I wasn't a huge fan of the pillows that came with the couch before, but they're kind of growing on me. I don't know, I kind of like them now. They're okay, so I'll probably end up keeping them. But this was just a quick overview of how I did the living room. Finally got rid of those couches, finally got stuff that matched, so I'm really happy with it. It's very cozy and comfy now. It's completely different than our room as far as color scheme goes, just because we both like different color schemes, so we decided to go with a more cozy farmhouse feel in the living room and dining room, and in our bedroom a little more bright white and modern. But I'm really loving it. It's actually oddly enough easier to clean, so yeah. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them below in the comments. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos from me. And I will also have a blog up with everything in the living room linked as well. I will link everything that I can down below in the bottom bar. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.